How to skip lines at NYC's American Museum of Natural History. If you are planning a visit to the American Museum of Natural History in New York City and want to skip the long lines, you are in the right place. Let's talk about some smart strategies to make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. First and foremost, the best way to avoid waiting is to purchase your tickets online in advance. This allows you to select a specific entry time, which means you can walk right in without standing in line at the ticket counters. The museum offers timed entry tickets, so you can plan your visit around your schedule. Another option is to look for skip the line or express tickets. These tickets can often be found through authorized vendors or combo passes that include the American Museum of Natural History and other attractions in New York City. These tickets typically provide priority entry, allowing you to bypass the general admission lines and sometimes even include guided tours. If you are looking for a more personalized experience, consider booking a private guided tour. These tours not only give you express access but also provide expert guidance through the museum's highlights. This way, you can save time and make the most of your visit. For those who decide to visit without pre-booked tickets, timing can make a big difference. Arriving right at opening time, which is 10 o'clock in the morning, or later in the afternoon, can help you avoid the busiest crowds. Weekday afternoons are usually less crowded than weekends or early mornings. The museum has multiple entrances, and the main entrance on Central Park West at 79th Street tends to be the busiest. If you want to skip the lines even more effectively, consider using the Columbus Avenue entrance at 81st Street. This entrance is generally less crowded and can help you get inside more quickly. To recap, the best ways to skip lines at the American Museum of Natural History include purchasing timed entry tickets online, using skip the line tickets from authorized vendors, booking a private guided tour, entering through the less busy Columbus Avenue entrance, and visiting during off-peak hours like weekday afternoons. With these strategies, you can enjoy all the fascinating exhibits without the hassle of long waits.